Like this, should we just be like this? Yeah.
Oh, see, very casual. That's nice.
We're having
Perfect.
so much fun, Tom.
Here at the Maltz Museum.
Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from Cool Cleveland. We are here with Dahlia Fisher and Julie Conrad. We are having fun at the Rube Goldberg exhibit here at the Maltz Museum of Jewish Heritage. Look at you guys. This is such a fun exhibit, Dahlia. Talk about this. It comes from, what is it, the Children's Museum of Pittsburgh, right? And
That's right.
It's going to be on exhibit here at the Maltz
It's
all
open
summer
now,
long.
and it goes through August 27th, and it has been packed. Today we're closed. We're closed on Mondays, the only day of the week that we're closed, but every other day that we've been open, this has been a really exciting, full exhibition. Kids have been coming through with their families, their camps, their school groups, and they've been loving it, all ages. It's really been a fun, exciting exhibition for us.
This one is really super hands-on, right, Julie? This is not one where you come in and look at the labels and get bored and kids are going to be like snoozing. They are touching every one of these exhibits, right?
Exactly. And once they do the exhibit, they can go back and do it again. They can reset it. Right. They can do each machine over and over again.
Right. So I imagine, now you handle like the tour groups and all the kids and the volunteers, right? Is it hard to kind of corral them? Because they must love this. They must be running from one to another just hands-on.
They do. And the school groups kind of go in stations so that they take time to, really explore each one. And then they can go and try them again and they just circle around the exhibit.
Right. So talk about what we're actually doing here, because you actually physically set these up and then you trigger them and you watch the whole thing roll, right?
Well, as soon as you pull the trigger, the ball starts going and you get to see it at work. So one of the things Rube Goldberg was known for was making something that would be a very easy task, sort of overly complicated and absolutely hilarious. And you get to see the ball, hit the broom and sweep the floor until it ticks something else off and then rings the bell and it's done. I mean, it's really fun.
So he actually studied engineering, right? But he obviously had a lot of artistic talent because he's a cartoonist as well.
Correct. He became a cartoonist,
right.
And he was really prolific. And we have these gorgeous drafts and cartoons also on display. So there's an element of art here. And what he did was really fascinating because you see how he invented the Rube Goldberg machines as art. And he didn't create the elevations the way we have here in the museum. He made them as art pieces, but you can see his mind at work in the exhibition. In the drawings, there are drafts and A, B, C, D, and how that they were going to operate, and he made sure that they would actually function.
Right. And Julie, there's so much swag and books and cool stuff in the shop as well, right? There's more than most other exhibits.
Yeah, you can also get a book that has all the sketches that you'll see in the exhibit in the book, written as a story by Rube Goldberg's granddaughter. Right. So you can take a little piece of the exhibit home with you.
And speaking of Rube Goldberg's granddaughter, you're going to be actually doing, is it like a Zoom event with her?
It is. It's an online event. We are so fortunate. She's going to be online with us so people can tune in from wherever they are. Makes it really easy. And she's going to be talking about Rube Goldberg, the adjective and the verb. Because fast fact, Rube Goldberg is the only person that's in the dictionary as an adjective.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it sounds like you guys are having so much fun here. Thanks for inviting us in. And I can't wait to see some of the kids having so much fun here. So thanks, Julie. Thanks, Dahlia.
And we're so glad you were here. Thanks so much, Tom.
Thank you. Hey, it's Thomas Mulready from Cool Cleveland. We're here at the Maltz Museum of Jewish Heritage.